एंड ऑन एन एवरेज आपके हिसाब से एक इन्वेस्टर के पास कितने स्टॉक्स होने चाहिए पोर्टफोलियो में?
Maximum is 30.
Isn't 30 a lot?
It's a lot, which is why maximum.
Okay.
I mean, not even 30. I would say 25. Anywhere between, but it's a lot. It's the upper ceiling. Minimum is 10.
Okay.
Between 10 to 30, whether you are closer to 10 or closer to 30 depends on your level of expertise. So the newer you are, the closer you should be to 30, because your chances of going wrong are more. And the more experienced you are, you should be closer to 10.
So आपके पास कितने stocks?
I consider myself a beginner, so I am closer to 30.
अच्छा, तो आपके पास 25-30 इतने stocks हो गए?
हाँ. But so I'll tell you why also. कहने को ना I have 30 stocks. That's because over the years I've realized कि I analyze stocks only when I'm invested in them. So some of them are tracking positions also. कि 50,000 लाख रुपए डाल दिया ताकि मेरी नजर में रहे and I keep analyzing them. Those are not truly investments. लेकिन डीमैट स्टेटमेंट में दिखते हैं वो. But serious investments would be half of that. I think 13-14 होंगी जो serious होंगी. मुझे ना अलग से वॉच लिस्ट रखो और फिर पोर्टफोलियो रखो. What ends up happening is I never go to the watch list. वो स्टॉक में भूल ही जाता हूँ. So it's important for me to have थोड़ा सा skin in the game. But I would say technically those are investments, but not really.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.